Hey guys, me, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Welcome back to our little. It's not end of the year yet, but we are getting there. Wait, I think my mic is low again. Where's my sound? Yeah, it happens to me all the time. I don't know why, but sometimes my mic volume voluntarily drops. I think it's good now. Gotta check it here now and then. Um, let's check our daisies. It's Friday, so let's take it easy. And it's raining terribly in a way, which we know LA loves the rain. We need all of it. We need all of it. Mm-hmm. One bar reversal. One bar reversal. Use are in continuation of the trend. Did you guys have a nice Christmas? Merry Christmas, everyone. Or happy holidays. Uh, everything is so political in this country. You can get people offended just by wishing them a Merry Christmas, right? I think we all should step beyond and leave this whole religious things behind. It's tradition, but I also respect people's heart feelings if they have any for any reason. So let's be mindful. That's my mantra. You can never be like too mindful about people's feelings. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what we have for now. You can never be too mindful about people's feelings. America's there. And volume two on unvolumed interaction bar. That needs a closed manipulation signal. Apple is there. Mhm. It's a balance. It's countertrend and all of it. But let's honor it regardless and keep on watching it. Keep an eye on it. Once it gets in there, I'll reinstate my limit order to break even on this short trade, which prevented me from breaking even here. But that's all right. Yeah, markets were open on in uh, in Russia. Just there. That would be nice if it came here. Right. Unvolent spring. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, MM. Tesla. Oh, by the way, was this guy there? Is he still there? No, he's not. Yeah, but he was right. There was potentially a trade here. Um, yeah, and it was worth taking it. Let's show it to the guy. I'll say, yeah, you were right. There was a trade right here. Don't think I would be able to take it, but here's your 2R. I missed it. And I don't think I would be able to take it anyway. Doink. I'm not going to describe it in full. I'll just all I need is love tonight. Uh, where is this guy? Uh, survive. Yes. Ah. Um. Hmm. I'm not sure where his command go. Anyhow. Okay. Um. What is it? This thing goes down. This thing goes up. And it's going to be continuation of the trend. Once it passes through the T1. Yeah. Oracle. It's 0.5. It's nice volume. Mhm. Why are we looking at it? And we already made our money on Oracle. Change direction. One more roll. Broke this bar. It wasn't 0.5 regardless. It wasn't 0.5. Dun dun. Eh, that was a trade. 0.5 comes here. Needs a test. Comes on a test. Volume to 2 bar up thrust and then test. Well, no, I wouldn't be able to take it. Sorry, Surgut Neftegas. That's an interesting consolidation right here. The chances nearing is going to close in correction in 5 days less Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. Looks like it's going to pop. Possibly it wasn't one bar roll. And that was the too far from 0.5 anyways. Also potentially good for continuation of the trend from this balance. Whatever it was here. This was a balance, and then it went up, and then it's still a balance, 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 breaks up. Yeah, it's all as a balance. And then there was a break, and then it went down to the ice level. And I think it's good for a balance. Like this. All I need is love. It's an interesting situation. Mm. This is also possible because it's not a balance, but this makes no sense. And it's a steep fall. And we already reached our well, no, we still have room to go. Just a little bit. Yeah. I'm skeptical. It's technically balanced, but I wouldn't. So on barrel. So on barrel. I wouldn't trust the short movement farther than 0.5. Still a counter trend balance. It's far beyond. Yeah. Doesn't concern the minutes though. Minutes don't care. And breaks it down. It breaks it down. Or 0.5. Yep. On trend. Same deal. We have stretch far beyond. So no continuation of the trend is possible on hour. For minutes it's still a possibility, but I don't think so. Nothing holds on Boeing. PM. PM is there. There's a lot of room to go. What? There's a lot of room to go. Okay. So it's in 0.5. Significant drop. It's a dividend, so Was PM this thing? Is it the brutal drop right now? I mean, volume, last volume of the hour of the day, possibly. Dude, look at this break. It's brutal. In case you didn't notice, in case you can't tell, it's brutal. Far below the um, support level of hourly. Tried to resist it and went like down immediately. Yeah, that was an attempt. And that's the last minute, so biggest volume, but then doom goes below. Strong and powerful. Now we are in the reverse situation. Doesn't matter because we're only looking for shorts here. Uh, that's why we need tests at strong approaches. It wasn't a strong approach technically, so it was a go maybe. I'm sorry, but I didn't like the 0.5. And by the way, he has a little room to go. You know what I mean? This thing went down. What was I looking for here? Anyone knows? Because I don't. What does it do on my my watch list? Somewhat a balance. arguable, but a balance nonetheless. We have a change of direction on an inferior time frame, so we can treat it as manipulation of the level. It's a little too far. Didn't reach a 0.5. Oh, it's right there. Resistance with volume, one bar reversal, arguably neutral bar as well. So this level is questionable, really. Regardless, and this volume, it's 19th of December. You know, 19th of December is But even without 19th of December, there is a volume here. It's still volume. This thing is volume. This thing is volumed. Unvolumed. Up thrust and close above it. Oh, higher anyway, so discontinued. And this thing comes in unvolumed. Yeah. Continuation of the trend. Also, yes. Let's see our gainers losers. Let's first see our dailies. That might have been a down bar, neutral bar. All I'm saying is I wouldn't trust this level fanatically. See how stretched up it is, and non-logarithmic is way better. Non-logarithmic, non-logarithmic. Way better. Logarithmic seems like so upstretched all the time. Oh, it looks like it wants to reverse. see the range of the wave. It goes doon, doon. So acceleration, down, down, and then range narrows. Still, still, it's 19th, so let's not bet on 19th. The next day, though, significant, and we're above it right now. Uh-oh, that's a weird move. Down and confirmed. It needs levels. Needs levels. It's a weird thing that happened. Very distinct though. How do you call хрюкать? Snore. I just did it. Хрюкать. Come on. Grunting. I just grunted. This is very indicative, of course. In 5 minutes, look at this. Regardless, I need my levels. Casco. Months are not that different, but year can look very different. Logarithmic and not. And like we were using this logarithmic rule before we figure out to check the yearly levels as well. Sorry. Is love. You remember that tonight? And then old spread, there is no level. On the new spread, there is no level either. 7.5, and it's breaking it as a continuation of the trend. I have to work on reducing my. It's a break. It's good in continuation of the trend. Yeah, I'll be working on reducing the amount of daily watch, the amount of stock I have the number of items I have on my watch list, on my daily watch list. Took me 3 attempts to go because this is not sustainable. This keeps me freaked out. It's getting there. 12.5. I think we can agree that this is neglectable. But that's gonna be a good level. Sorry. Yeah, 19th. We bypassed. We need to close manipulation signal for hourly. And let's leave it alone. And let's leave it alone. The year was 2022. No, 2021. Things were wild in LA. One of those days I write a script. Fear and Loathing in Los Angeles. You know, guys, what Los Angeles is? You guessed it. Russian Los Angeles. And it was vibrant during COVID. So, so, so okay, that's our day for today. Let's see gainers, losers, just for funsies. Ooh, we're red. Or are we? It looks like a break. I don't think it would be a crime to start considering it short, because once it breaks this level, the next stop may be dong, dong. Beginning, middle, end. Yeah, I think it's all right to start looking at it short. Once it closes this thingy. It's only first sign. Ah, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Mm. It's unidirectional day, I think. That's what I think. It's not what I think, that's what I see. I can think whatever I want. My job is not to think. My job is to observe the market. Okay, that's it for today. We're indecisive on this guy. So that's really now this. We're at the level again. As fun as it is. Looking for a new transition external. Arguably, that's the close of the move, which I think it is. Okay. I don't think it's a level anymore because it's corrected more than like 80%. So, and I also think that my earlier deal might have been closed. Uh, this thingy that I opened here. Not yet. Not yet. It's getting close. Where's our apple? It's in a good place, I think. Yeah, we just needed to complete. Okay, I'm gonna go. Um, leave you alone. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, uh, such as you know who, such as myself.